I was going through my clothes when I realized I had nothing to wear. So I did what I do best. I opened up my Bible and then I thought, well, let's do something about it then.
Hi guys, welcome back to my now existing channel. A few days ago, I asked you guys on Instagram what you wanted to see next, and you guys responded with summer modest outfits. I had to put my hair up because it's burning in here. I actually just want to say how proud I am with these pieces that I put together. The purpose of this video is to reach out to those who are in their modesty journey, for those who are learning their sense of style, for those who want to change for themselves, for those who the Lord has spoken to. I'm one of them. It's something so funny because before I used to tell myself that I don't think I'd ever like wearing long skirts. I never was really in touch with my feminine side. Something sparked in me as soon as I started wearing long skirts. I kind of started loving it and I just felt very powerful, like the woman of the Bible, truly. I think that's where my journey started, where I'm like, okay, I love dressing modest. Because I remember I used to compare myself with all the girls who would dress a certain way. I'm like, I want to dress like that, but I never felt comfortable in my skin. No hate to those who dress in modest. At the end of the day, it's their decision. They feel comfortable in it, great. I don't feel comfortable. And the word modest is actually very broad because there's so many different forms of modesty. There are some people who think, showing shoulders is immodest, or showing legs is immodest. So this is just my form of modesty. I also have something for the girlies who are not comfortable wearing skirts yet. So I have, jeans and some shorts. So yeah, it's a very slow process. Don't expect yourself to change or to be comfortable in wearing modest clothing so fast. And if you're already comfortable with modest clothes, by comfortable I mean not comparing yourself to the world and the way they dress, then I'm super proud of you because I know how hard it can be. But anyways, we should get started. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the long skirts first. I don't think I'm gonna show you the shoes aspect of it because I'm still trying to figure out what shoes matches with what. So this is mostly going to be from the head to the legs, not the feet. But I could tell you that I wear these shoes a lot. Are they called like platform shoes? I don't know, but they're very trendy and I got myself a pair and I love it. And sometimes I even wear it with some white or black high knee socks. But yeah, this is definitely a part of my style. If I don't wear this, then I usually either wear flats or I wear a lot of Adidas and Pumas. But if you're a shoe person, you can figure out what goes with what. Honestly, my mom buys half of my shoes because she has really good taste in shoes. And also we're the same size, so I'll be stealing my mom's shoes. And you can ask my sister for that. Thank you, mommy. I've been learning how to stack shirts and make them look cute. So we're gonna start off with the front and then I'll show you the full outfit afterwards. I have this little floral see-through shirt and I stacked it up with this little vest. Don't come at me, instead teach me by commenting down below. Then we have this little khaki skirt. I tucked it in. This is how it would look if it was not tucked in, if it's more your style. So this is the outfit at a closer look. It gave this cute result. Let me do a little spin for you guys. An awkward spin because I hate doing spins. It's cute. I love it. Okay, so this is the next outfit. We have a white tank top under with this little blazer. Let's see it from the back. Don't stare at my hair. It's a mess. And now let's see the skirt. I styled it with this black long skirt that I love and always wear because it's amazing. And it looks really cute. Let's do a spin. Let me know down below after you see all the outfits which one was your favorite. Personally, this outfit might be one of my favorites. We have this little shoulder top, which you can just throw over anything. And then I bought this really good tank top. And now let's see the skirt. I bought this skirt from Shein. Isn't it amazing? I love it. So this next one is also one of my favorites. It's a quick on-the-go outfit. It's this little cute graphic tee that says emotionally exhausted. So this one specifically is the Care Bears, which I loved and grew up watching. I styled it with this cute purple long skirt. Very fashionable for just on-the-run errands. So I have another example for you. It's another graphic tee that says, "Here comes the sun, live for the weekend." And I styled it with this khaki skirt. Let's do a little spin. The only thing is that there is a slit down below. You can easily put leggings or stockings under if that's a problem for you. This is another on-the-go outfit that I love. So now we have officially reached the pants/shorts section. Oh, okay, that's a tongue twister. The pants/shorts section. Close enough. These jeans obviously need to be a little bit more flat iron, but nonetheless, this is the look. I personally like this one. It's very simple. This next one you saw me wear in a previous video if you've been subscribed. You know what's so funny about this shirt? I just realized that the K got cut off, so it says New Yori and not New York. But it says NYC here, so that's what matters. I style these with some jean shorts. The rule with jean shorts for me is it has to be knee length. It can't be higher than, what is this called? The kneecap. If I do wear jean shorts of any color, it would be the length of the kneecap or a little bit longer. There are occasions where I will do a little bit higher, but it would just be kind of at the top of the kneecap. So I would never do this. So it's either the length of the kneecap, below the kneecap, or higher than the kneecap. This is like a whole math equation explained horrible. These shorts are a good example of the kneecap rule. These shorts even go over the kneecap, as you can see. But yeah, that's the rule. This is like a baggy tee, so you can tuck it in. I like putting it over because it's fun. I don't know. You do you. This next outfit could be a little bit controversial for most of my viewers. It could lean into the more masculine side, but personally, I love shirts like these. It is in the girls section, which means it's intended for girls, so I wear it proud. I style these with some baggy jean shorts. Oh my gosh, baggy jean pants. This is actually a bigger size. My grandma knitted it to fit me because I really loved the pattern. Kind of matches with the stripe pattern over here. And when I wear this outfit, I feel like I can move, I can run, I could be my Barbie girl boss. This is that outfit for me. So for this next outfit, I stacked up a brown tank top over a puffy white shirt. Now, I also styled it with some light jeans, but they're tight. I recommend to style this with some baggy jeans. I didn't have any baggy jeans. That's my reminder to go buy. This color was the color I envisioned for the jeans. Baggy would be more cute. This is the style. This one kind of was the baggiest of this color. So the video had ended, but I found this one last outfit that was super cute. It's this little dressing shirt with these plaid pants. Last but not least, I have this outfit for when it's really chilly, but it's still summer. It's this dressing shirt over a little neck turtle shirt, but it's cropped, and some dressing black pants. Alright guys, I'm sweating bullets. And it's not because these outfits are super hot to wear in the summer. It's mostly because I've been changing. If you see my room, it's a mess right now. Clothes everywhere that I have to fix. Because I've been trying to find outfits, and also I don't have the AC on in the room. The window is open for the direct sunlight. So it's pretty hot in here. But anyways, if you've enjoyed this video, if you want me to do more, part 2, let me know. Maybe for the winter. Thank you guys for watching. God loves you. I love you too. Bye!